How MSPs can run manual device inventory reviews. Automated onboarding and offboarding workflows have transformed how MSPs manage devices at scale. But even in highly automated environments, blind spots can appear. That's where manual device inventory reviews come in. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why manual device inventory still matters. Automation is powerful, but it isn't perfect. Manual reviews add an extra layer of validation, improve visibility into discrepancies, strengthen governance during audits and QBRs, and create opportunities for license optimization. When done consistently, manual inventory becomes a repeatable governance process, not just a one-time cleanup task. Prerequisites to a strong manual inventory process. To run an effective manual device review, have the following ready. Secure storage for exported inventories, such as SharePoint, IT Glue, or NinjaOne Docs. Access to client portals like NinjaOne, Intune, IntraID, or other RMM tools. Clear definitions of what qualifies as inactive, duplicate, or retired. Basic Excel or Google Sheets skills. A defined audit cadence, monthly or quarterly. Exact prerequisites may vary depending on your tech stack and integrations. Step-by-step manual device inventory workflow. Step 1. Define review frequency and scope. Start by determining how often reviews should occur. Monthly reviews are ideal for high turnover environments, while quarterly reviews are more efficient for stable clients with minimal churn. Next, define the scope. Typically, this includes the following: total device count, new versus missing devices, OS versions, last check-in dates, compliance indicators such as patch levels. An infrequent or loosely scoped audit often misses stale endpoints, so align your cadence with the client's risk profile. Step 2. Capture portal snapshots. Next, portal exports are the backbone of the review. From platforms like NinjaOne, Intune, or IntraID, export the device list and standardize key fields: device name, assigned user, OS version, last active date, compliance status. Then, save files with consistent naming conventions, such as this example. Different portals may export inconsistent fields, so maintaining a clean structure ensures your comparisons are accurate and repeatable. Step 3. Compare snapshots manually. Now, import two snapshots, typically the current month and the previous one, into Excel or Google Sheets. Use comparison formulas to detect changes, identify missing devices, detect OS version changes, flag devices with extended inactivity. A common Excel formula might look like this. Don't forget to highlight mismatches clearly so they're easy to review. Step 4. Identify and act on discrepancies. Once discrepancies are flagged, categorize them. Unexpected new devices. Confirm onboarding authorization. Missing or stale devices. Verify retirement, loss, or decommissioning. OS mismatches. Validate patch compliance. Duplicate records. Correct naming inconsistencies or consolidate entries. Before taking action, cross-check findings against HR systems or PSA records. From here, create remediation steps. Disable stale devices in Active Directory. Schedule patching tasks. Decommission retired hardware. Update asset records. Step 5. Summarize and share findings. Finally, inventory reviews shouldn't stay internal. Build a simple report summarizing the following: devices added, devices missing, compliance gaps, actions taken. Here's a sample report. Presenting this during QBRs reinforces governance, demonstrates proactive IT management, and builds client trust. To conclude, automation makes IT management efficient, but manual device inventory reviews make it accountable. By combining structured portal exports with repeatable review processes, MSPs can strengthen governance, reduce risk, and build lasting client trust. For more information, check out our official blog post on running manual device inventory reviews, linked in the description below.